Hello everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope you are doing good. I'm going to a new video with the sales order, how to create a sales order, and after that I'm going to release one more video on how to create a OBD, outbound delivery, with picking and how to pick, and then after that sales billing with accounting document I'll show you, and then going for the receipt against that invoice. So let us go with the one sales order. T code is VA01. So this is a VA01 order type which as per the requirement, if you created a new one then okay, otherwise standard is OR2. Sales organization 1810 I have put it, that is an I have created for the particular this way, and this distribution channel and division will be mandatory for here. So this division is not a mandatory, without the division also you can go ahead. Just hit enter. This is the sales order. In creating, selecting the one customer and customer reference. There is 1 2 3 4 5 6 is a test, and customer reference date is 01 012 20 01 2022. Here I'm 12 is in December 1st 2022, like that. Enter. Now I'll take it one material and quantity. Let us go with the 10 quantity, and which plant is 1810. So this is the material which FG is going to take place, and plant and how much quantity you are. Just hit enter. Automatically it will. What is this one? This is any credit check. SAP credit management failed because of this is because of FSCM. The credit check has been maintained in the customer, so it will be going to check the credit and it will goes to block the sales order. So okay, now I'm going with the price because of price is not picked because of there is a missing. Just I'll put it 100 rupees, then automatically it will give me pick the pricing here. So now I'm going to show you where it is in a condition, account assignment. This is the price which was picked, and you will get the GST also in here only. I have not taken any GST, so it will not showing you in the GST now. So once you entered here, go to edit. If this sales order is completely filled or not, just check it in complete log. And here I have shorted the one information I has not put it. Just go to double click here, so it will go directly to in the same place where it is not filled. So I'll put it to one, for example, I take it as sales office as per your requirement. Just put it as sales office and come back here and reach and see the document is complete. Now I'll check it in complete log, and it is complete, document is complete, and go for save here, and it is asking you the credit check. Where do check a credit? So that will be house. This is the number sales order. Sales order has been created. Now I'll check display the sales order. This is a customer and this is a material. Another 10 pieces of t-shirts has been make a sales order. Okay, and then how to release? So just come out here. BKM4 is for sales order release, and make that 244 is a document sales order number, and execute here. So this is a sales order, it is blocking. How do you get a error? Just come out. I'm coming out here. Yes, if you go to VA02 here and 244 document, if you try to deliver here, you will get the error. order locked for delivery. As a result, order needs to be checked. So release only, you will get the next further. Okay, and next video, how to create a OBD and how to release the first, how to release the sales order through decode, and then make a outbound delivery, and then picking. I'll go for the next video. Thanks for watching, and watch video continue, so you'll get the sequence wise videos. And I hope you enjoy my video, and please subscribe, like it, and press the bell button for the alerts. Whatever I am going to release the new videos, you will get it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.